Welcome everyone. Thank you for joining me. My name is Cathy and I'm glad you're here. Tonight I just want to talk to you from my heart about something that I love about Lilla Rose, and I know that if you are considering a direct sales company, this is one of the key factors for me that makes me love Lilla Rose and working with them as a company. Um, Lilla Rose is very unusual in the direct sales world because there are no monthly quotas to meet to stay active. And I know that's pretty unheard of in direct sales, and it seems counterintuitive because it seems like having a monthly quota is going to keep you motivated to work your business and work hard. But for me, and I think a lot of us that are involved with Lilla Rose, having no monthly quota, it just speaks to a deeper issue for us. And for me, it is very much getting across the idea that Lilla Rose is a family-oriented company. And not only family-oriented, they are very much for you and your success. So I have been with other direct sales companies in the past. Well, one was network marketing, the other was direct sales. The direct sales company, there were quarterly quotas. So that sounds great, but for those who are really struggling to make their quota, whether it's monthly or quarterly, there's just a mindset game that goes on for those struggling with life events or for whatever reason are having difficulty making those quotas. It just says failure to that person's mindset. They are always striving to achieve, to prove to themselves that they have what it takes. And Lilla Rose does not give that kind of mindset conundrum, if you will. For me, not having the monthly quota doesn't make me want to take my foot off the pedal. It wants me to prove to myself that I can do it. But more importantly, on the months that maybe life is crazy and there's not a lot you can do about it, then it's like a free pass without all the guilt, without all of the mental icky stuff that goes on when we as women don't meet our goals, when we don't measure up to what high standard we put on ourselves, which is so common with women, don't you think? So it's awesome to me that there is no monthly quota with Lilla Rose. And not only that, like some women have had to step away because of things with their kids, things in their family, illnesses, having to care for elderly parents or whatever. Maybe it's chronic illness themselves. And because of the no monthly quota, when they can come back to the business, when they have that time again to invest, they want to work twice as hard or 10 times as hard because they're so appreciative of the fact that they still have their job, they still have their team, they still have this supportive, encouraging camaraderie of a family that's going on in Lilla Rose, that it just creates a culture where we just love and support each other and support the company. So not only are there no monthly quotas to meet, there is a $29 a year commitment to stay active. And that is really for the purpose of your upline knowing that you still want to be involved. So $29 a year is next to nothing to have to come through your website. And that can be either your own order, or it can be a friend's order or a customer order, whatever. Just $29 a year is all it takes to remain active. So you know what that means. once you're in, you're in. This is a family. This is a network of sisters who support and encourage each other, who pray for each other when things are out of control in our lives and when we just really need support and not that extra guilty feeling or pressurized feeling, or even if it's just our own mindset of I've let myself down. That doesn't exist. So I wanted to share that with you. I don't know if you're on here because you're looking for an opportunity in direct sales. I can speak only from my experience. I absolutely have had the time of my life with Lilla Rose. I've made so many friends that are now my sisters. I am enjoying this company immensely. I love the hair jewelry. It's a great excuse to kind of bling it up or just be practical if it's hot out, just to get your hair up off your neck. So that's great. It's a product that so many women need to know about. But also the CEO of the company is just down to earth, great guy, and I love being able to support him in his business and do my part to make him a success, because he works so hard and gives back so much to us as stylists that it's just, I mean, we love him. We just want to help him. And just to give you an example, with Lilla Rose, a lot of the marketing materials that we purchase in order to give out to our customers or to gain new customers, that is subsidized through our CEO and his family. So if it costs them, say it costs $2 to print a catalog, they're going to pay part of that so that we are not out of pocket as much as we would be. And that's unbelievable, because most direct sales companies are making a profit on the marketing materials, and this company does not. They're actually subsidizing them so that we on the lower levels can be a success. So that's pretty awesome, and that's the kind of company I want to be with for life. So just wanted to share that with you tonight, and I will put my website below if you have more questions or are interested in finding out more. I would be happy to talk to you. I will put my phone number below and my email. Okay, so give me a shout out at some point, like send me a message, give me a text or a call. I'd be happy to talk to you. All right, thanks a lot. I will talk to you again soon. Bye.